Students, welcome again. Previously, in the previous two classes, we performed first one the table, and then the second one was again a table, but it's what was an extension of the previous one, where we have learned how to freeze the cells and what is importance. Today, we are jumping one step ahead, and we will learning how to find the averages. Okay, while doing this average, we will also make sure how to manually do it and how the inbuilt function will help you. Okay, so we will putting some IDs. First id is any roll number, so that it would be clear to you that because in our next session also I will be using the same data more or less, so it will be quite helpful to me. 1 2 and then drag it till okay 20. Clear? Now marks. Suppose I've taken a test of 20 students out of 30, and following marks will occur: 12, 14, 15, 18, and then somebody have got 23, 25, 26, 28, 29, 14 again, 17, 2 shocking numbers: 3, 1, 4, 15, 28, 29, 30. Somebody have got 30, 30 again. Okay, so these are the marks which have been got by 20 students in my class, and I need to find the average of these marks. How we will go? So I will be showing you two steps. One will be the manual one, and the other one is the automated. The automated one is there inbuilt in Excel. Okay, so what we'll be writing here? First, let's do the automated one. Equals average, average. So we will be having the average, and then make bracket shift along with 9th. So the first bracket, open bracket. Now we will select from 12 to 30. Don't select the roll numbers. Roll number has nothing to do, only marks. And now close it, enter, and the average comes out to be 18.15. So it's the average marks of these 20 students. Now we will do it manually. Manually means we are not supposed to do it with chalk and blackboard, neither pen and pencil. We will be doing it. The formula for average, which I suppose you all people know, that average equals sum upon number of observations. So what is the sum? Let's do it. Find what is sum. So here equals sum, and then the numbers from 12 to 30 we have dragged it down and closed, and the sum is 363, and number of observations is 20. How 20? See, there are 20 students. That's why I have written over here the roll numbers. So roll numbers will help you to identify that there are 20 students. Okay, the last point equals 363. We have selected 363 divided by 20, and let's see. Wow, 18.15. Again the same. Okay, this will help you to find out how to do works systematically. Thank you.